and fans, welcome back to another video. So before starting the video, I would like to request you to like, subscribe and share our channel. Press the bell icon for the notifications, and sorry again for the late video. So today's video is a very important topic that most of the people want to know, how we should add the tags while we are uploading a YouTube video. So let me tell you one thing: you have to add tags when you upload video, and you must, because they are responsible for the reach of the video, same like the title of the video is responsible. So like I open my YouTube studio and I just click the create button here, and I have to click upload the video. Okay, right, I have selected a video, and that is the how to check an iPhone is fake, real, or something like that. Or if I put a topic of it is as title of it as how to upload a video on YouTube. You got my point? So you can install one Vidiq extension that gives you the basic of everything. It will give you a dashboard, upload, video statistics. Overall, it is responsible for SEO and tags and the subscribers inside. You can also get the paid version from here, like it will give you the SEO score of your video. So after you add description, after you add a good thumbnail, in the end there is a topic tags. Okay, so there is option keyword inspector, just click on it. So I write here how to upload a video on YouTube. You got my point? So you can see that these are the real-time tags available right now. So I have to click plus, 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 plus. So these all will be added to my tags. Okay, remember one thing: you should add more than 450, and if these tags are 500, that is very good, and these tags should be related to the title of the video so that your reach may improve. Okay, so the people who are not using Vidiq, I will tell you them the other method to do is they can write by themselves. That is also good, but that is not very good and not reachable. So you can see in the Vidiq extension is telling me that your video SEO score is 13.4. it will increase as I will add the thumbnail, and when I will add the title or hashtags and full description and the video elements, text and visibility, this score will increase. So don't care about this one if you are just learning how to make a tags. So I am going to tell you another way. You have to just go to Google and write rapid tags. There will be the website on the top, that will be rapidtags.io. just open that one. Okay, after it is opened, just write the title you want to search tags for, or just open the title of your video. Just copy it, put it in the website. Okay, now it is giving you the top tags available right now. Just you have to do is to copy them, open the video and put in here. So it is showing that the tags are more than 500. So what you can do is to remove some of the tags that may complete the 500 target. So I just remove this one and remove this one and remove this one, and like this. Okay, so my target is completed. So after you have done 500 by 500 or 497 by 500, you just go to the final processing of the video and upload it. You can see that I have uploaded 497 tags, and the SEO score has gone to the good 130.1 by 50. So remember, tags are very important. So this was all from today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you.